Hi, everybody. Just wanted to go over the information for week 3 of quarter 2. So from the main homepage, as always, check your inbox right here for any emails that I may send you weekly. And then after that, you'll check here for announcements. And this week's a little different since you only have, I think the Monday, Wednesday class, you guys only have one day of school. And so Tuesday, Thursday, I'm going to kind of keep it the same way for you guys. So we just went ahead and we're going to just do 3 assignments for the week. And your due date is going to be this Friday for all the assignments. That way you have time to catch up on other assignments in other classes if you need to. Okay, so once again, no Zooms. If you do need to Zoom, I'm happy to Zoom with you guys. I just figured I like to give you guys the PE class time, the designated minutes to get your assignments completed. Um, but if you do need to Zoom, I'm always available during office hours from 9 a.m. to 9:50, or you can meet with me during your designated class time for Zoom. Just make sure you shoot me an email right here on Canvas inbox. I'm usually pretty quick about answering emails through here. Okay, so your assignments for this week are going to be, you have 3 of them, they're due Friday. You have your second PFT push-up test that you're going to be doing practice for, a quiz, why exercise is really worth it, and then your fitness log. So that'll be your fitness choice of activity. And once again, you can do everything tomorrow and submit it. Just as long as everything is submitted by Friday, you guys are good to go. And as always, email me if you have any questions regarding any of the assignments. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the module real quick. So we're on week number 3, quarter 2, and as always, you're going to go ahead and make sure that you watch the instructional video first, which is this video, and then from there, I reposted the instructions regarding the PFT push-up test. So if you click on that, you can see watch the video. If you've already watched it and you're already pretty familiar, don't worry about having to watch it again. I just have it here for your information. And you will need this cadence though. So the cadence, when it plays, it'll tell you down, up, and then it'll count it off. So just make sure that you are keeping correct posture. Your elbows are bending at 90 degrees. You guys have flat backs. You're going almost all the way to the ground without touching it. Once again, once you make 2 mistakes, your test is over. So it's just good time to practice. Make sure that you're keeping up with it. You should hopefully see improvement overall from the first time you took the test to now. Even if you increased by 2, that's great progress. So then from there, you're going to go to so you're going to submit it a little bit differently than last time. So using the cadence, perform the push-up test, and then you're going to click the take the quiz button in the assignment and enter your score. So you just click right here, take the quiz, and then it's going to ask you, same instructions right here. You have 30 minutes to report your score, which obviously won't take that long because you're just going to put a number in. After taking the PFT test, you're just going to let me know how many you did. So for example, if you did 0, you write 0 and hit submit. Okay, say you did 25, you write 25. I don't need any explanation, just write the number. It needs to be no more than 2 digits and it needs to be within the range of 0 to 75. You hit submit and you are good to go. Okay, so once you hit submit, it'll show you, see it says quiz saved. Okay, so then we go back to modules. And the next assignment you have is your fitness logbook. So you can do your fitness log any day this week. If you prefer to just go out and do your mile, if you prefer doing that, that's fine. Just submit the photo of your mile from your running app or the treadmill photo, however you want to do it. Or if you decide you just want to do a regular fitness routine, that's fine too. Reminder, I do have the CrossFit WODs listed in the module, so you can use one of my CrossFit workouts to do. Just make sure that, like, once again, it's 30 minutes in duration and you put all of the information here to get your full 10 points. Okay, and then once again, you'll just hit submit assignment and then you could fill it out from there. And then the last activity is going to be your quiz. So you're going to read the article, Why Exercise is Really Worth It and How to Get Started. Once you've read the article, then you're going to go ahead and take your quiz. Click on a quiz. And then shout out to Ellis Shamseed, I hope I pronounced that correctly, who helped create this quiz. Thank you very much. And then from the reading, you're just going to go ahead and click take quiz, and then you have 30 minutes to complete the quiz, and that is it for the week. So if you have any questions regarding any of the assignments, please feel free to reach out, email me, send me a message. If you need to Zoom for any reason, please do that as well. But if not, be safe this week. I know it's getting colder, so make sure if you do go outdoors, dress warm. Try to keep yourselves safe from catching the flu or anything. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Have a good week. Thank you.